to log into your HelloFresh account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into your HelloFresh account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a web browser on your device. Then click on search bar and type in hellofresh.com. Now press enter on your keyboard. Now you will land on the official interface of HelloFresh account where you can see login button at top right corner to log into your account. If you don't have an account on HelloFresh, click get started and create one. Let's click on login and then you will reach on the login section where you need to simply enter your email address and password. In case if you forget your password, click forget password link to recover. Scroll down, you can log in without password or you can sign in with Google, Apple or you can also log in with Facebook. Once you have entered all the credentials, you can click login button and then easily log into your HelloFresh account. That's all. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.